Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little Easter haul for you. I've purchased a couple of little Easter decor pieces from Kmart and Target. Now I wasn't even gonna decorate for Easter this year, but they just had so many cute little things out. Normally in Australia, they don't really do much for Easter as far as home decor, but I think we're starting to catch on now and they're starting to bring out some really cute little things for Easter. So I haven't gone to town, and pretty much what I've got here is probably all I'm actually gonna buy as far as Easter decor, because we're not religious, so we don't actually celebrate the religious side of Easter. We basically just celebrate the commercial side of it, which is Easter eggs and a bit of Easter decor. So pretty much what I've got here is all I'll probably be decorating for Easter. So let's jump straight in. Now this is a mixture of Kmart and Target. Most of it I think is Target, so I'll start with the Target things first. First up, we've got this little guy. It's actually a money box, and I think it's filled with milk chocolate eggs, mini milk chocolate eggs it says. But I mean, he's just so cute. And yeah, I tried to sort of go a little bit, not too babyish type Easter, because my kids are grown. So I tried to pick pieces that were a little bit more grown up, I guess. I don't know. But I think this guy was about $15 from Target. The next was this little egg. It's actually stuck down with sticky tape. But inside this is like a packet of little mini eggs as well. So I just thought that was really cute. I guess you could use it for like a little cookie jar or storing Easter eggs in or something like that. But I just thought that might be cute displayed somewhere for Easter. And he again was $15 as well. Also from Target, I bought these two little plaster kits. They're actually kids plaster kits that you can then paint your own bunnies. And then they were only $5 each. But to be honest, I actually just bought that for the white bunny. Like I don't intend to actually paint them. If I do paint them, I may just put a very, very light splash of watered down pink to the inside of the ears. But that's probably pretty much it. I just wanted the actual plaster bunny that I can just display in my house. And same with this one. I mean, this is, those two bunnies are just so cute, but I don't intend to actually paint them. I just want to keep them white and just sort of display them in and around my home. So that's what I got those two for. I may give them a coat of paint in like white chalk paint or something just to sort of seal them. But like, how freaking cute are they? And what I actually plan on, where I actually plan on displaying them is I've got these tiered, or I don't know if you saw my IKEA haul, I bought that like a tiered tray stand. So I'm gonna probably decorate that for Easter and maybe just display these little guys on that tiered stand. So yeah, I mean, definitely check out the kids section. I mean, even if you're not going to paint it in some, you know, gaudy colours like that, they're still a nice cute little figurine that you can put around your house, even if you just leave it white. Also from Target was this tabletop tree. It's 60 centimetres tall, and it's basically just the tree stand like that with the branches. And to go with that, and I think the stand was $10, and then to go with that I bought a pack of decorative Easter eggs just to hang off that. And I mean, the good thing about this tree is that you can use it all year round for different decor as well. Like you can use it at Christmas, Halloween, Easter, whatever. It's just a nice plain white tree. These eggs, I think they were maybe $4 or $5 for the packet. And I just thought they would look cute on there, just as it's pretty much displayed there. Also from Target, just as I was going out of the register, they had this really nice sort of spring Easter gift wrap. And these were only $1 each, $1 a roll. So I just thought they were really nice Easter looking wrap that I can use either at Easter time or for birthdays. The other thing I got from Target was this little basket. Now, I'm not necessarily going to be using it just for Easter, but I just thought it's such a cute little basket. I can use that around my home and put some flowers in it or whatever. Also at Easter time, just to display some eggs in there. And I think this little guy was $5 also from Target. And I like the color of it. It's like that whitewashed type look to the basket. So I thought that was quite nice. Oh my God, these are so cute. These were $6 for the packet. And they're just tiny little felt furry bunnies. They're just adorable. And I like them sort of the pastel colors as well, which are quite cute. So yeah, I probably might be using those on that tiered stand or just some little decorations around the home. I actually bought 2 packets of those because they were so cute. So I think the rest now is from Kmart. So the first little guy I got was this bunny here, and it's actually a light up bunny. I haven't got batteries in it at the moment, but it's got a switch on the back there, and I think just the little ears light up with LEDs. He was $7. I like Kmart because they've got all the prices on everything. So that's just like a nice wooden Easter stand. The next little item from Kmart was just this little ceramic bowl with 2 little bunnies hanging off the side, and this was $4. The other thing from Kmart was this flocked bunny. They also had these in green as well, and I think they had them in white and green in a different shape, maybe like a bunny that sort of crouched down. He was only $4, so I just like the white. I may go back and get one of the green ones, I'm not sure yet. And I know Kmart has green ones all year round in their garden section, like where all the sort of outdoor garden type pots and decorations are. And I've seen some green bunnies there, which are a little bit bigger than these. So I just thought he was really cute, just to display around the house. The other 2 cute little Easter guys I got here were a rose gold and a silver bunny ornament, and they were both $2 each. The other little guy I got was just this plain white bunny. Now, I didn't even realize at the time when I bought him, he was only $2, but he actually lights up. But I don't think I'll be using him like to actually light up. I just like the white of the bunny just to display. I like everything sort of pretty neutral and not too, I don't know, not babyish looking, but pretty much just keeping it white and simple. And then the last thing I bought was just some of this, what do we call it, raffia. So just, they had all different colors of these. This was $2 a packet. They had like all the pastel pinks, yellows, greens and blues, but I just wanted the natural one. So I plan to use this on that tiered tray and just put a little bit at the bottom and then display some of the little bunnies on top of that. So that was pretty much it for my Easter haul, unless they come up with some exceptionally cute other items that I haven't quite seen just yet. That's probably all I'm going to be doing for Easter. I will take you on a little Easter tour of the house, I guess, once I've set it all up. It won't be very much, probably a couple of pieces in my entryway and a couple of pieces in our kitchen and living area. Because yeah, like I said, we don't really tend to do, well, I used to go all out at Easter when the kids were smaller, but to be honest, my kids don't even like Easter eggs. Like, they're not that keen on chocolate and Easter eggs and that sort of stuff. I mean, if I buy them Easter eggs now, they'll still be there by Christmas next year if I didn't eat them. So yeah, I mean, I just thought I'd make it a little bit more festive for the season. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.